Assalamu alaikum. I'm Asad. I teach geography and environmental management for grade 9 to 11. I will tell you about the subject environmental management. What is this all about? First of all, before choosing this subject, you all should know what is environmental management. It is the management of the interaction and impact of human activities on the natural environment. Now, a question arises why you should choose environmental management as a subject. There are a number of reasons, like, for example, studying environmental management is one of the best things you can do for our planet. Second, it may not be the most popular study option, but it's definitely one of the most important ones for our future. Third, we need to find better ways to create sustainable development plans, and environmental management is the perfect start. Environmental engineers discover new ways to save human lives. Around the world, top universities offer environmental management degrees. Environmental management degrees are versatile. As you all know, the rapid growth in population and industrialization has put much stress on environmental factors like air, water, soil. Many forest areas have given way to established factories. Large amount of industrial waste polluting the air, water and soil in the surrounding areas. This pollution of environment is not restricted to just one place, it has spread all over the world and has become a global issue. It requires help from all sections of people in the society. People around the world are now very conscious about the health and environment. Due to development in all branches of science and technology, there is enough scope for environmental management in the present time. Now I am going to tell you about the scope of this subject. This subject, environmental management, is accepted by universities, colleges, nationwide and worldwide. Having environmental management in your transcript will provide you good opportunity for job in government and private organization. This subject knowledge will help you in geography, chemistry, biology and economics. I hope after my explanation, students will consider this subject as an optional. Good luck for the future. That's from my side. Allah Hafiz.